I didn't realize that there was no audio. Alaikum salam, Bruce Lee. Alaikum salam. How are you, brother? I was saying that Ramadan is next week, inshallah. Ramadan is next week, guys. Hope a really great time to spend with family, friends, with your spiritual connection with God, inshallah. So it's gonna be good, guys. I'm going back to family as well this Sunday, flying Sunday. Monday will be there, and I will be 1 month there live streaming from my room, my old room. It's gonna be nice, guys. Quick breaker test there. Look at here, quick breaker test. Pick here, it passed, but yeah, I'm just connecting right now. Let's see the daily chart, how it is. Daily chart, previous day slow here. Oh, previous day slow here. I'm gonna put opening print level somewhere here. Previous day's high. Yesterday I traded bad. I could have done better yesterday. I noticed it honestly. Good morning, Nick. Let's see, guys. What's most? This is pre-market highs? No, this is yesterday highs. This is yesterday highs. This is pre-market highs. Yes, this is pre-market highs. This is yesterday highs. This is the yesterday low. This is yesterday low coming literally during the yesterday New York session. Came back low, bounced, slightly grind higher. We have a room to this downside here if we really wants to go lower. Take care as well, my friend. Take care, guys. Alaikum salam, everybody. Guys, I realized what was the line. I realized what was the line that I was not able to remove. I realized what was the line that I was not able to remove yesterday. Just now. I realized that every time I put custom view up from 9:30 to now, for example, this custom view up stays there in the chart until I don't remove it. So this view up that was from the New York session opening of yesterday was keep going for today and keep going for the next day. So every day I was adding more view ups, and I realized I was like, why I have now multiple lines? And yeah, to count and show have the longer by trying a slight adjustment of my strategy. Great job. It feels so good to take one trade and you're like, this has been the best trade ever of my life. Very good job. Very good job. I still have to add my expense here. I realize now. I have to add $65. Ronnie Mufti, good job on your trades. I think you will close green in the end. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting until a payout will come. I don't want to activate anymore. The only reason I will activate this PA in advance than my payout is only if the activation fee promotion is very low. Like there is a promotion, I'm like, I cannot miss it. Like, do you remember the $6 activation? That one, I could not miss it. I was like, I have to activate them. In this case, I will activate them if that happens and leave them there parked. But yeah, 9:39 a.m. you got in. 9:39 a.m. So somewhere here, this break here then. This fake out here of this level, I guess. This flag break, I guess. Fake flag as well here. And you enter short. Stop loss above here. That was a beautiful trade. Hopefully, that was a great trade. The only thing, Bogdan, is that because I have, I work for Apex, I have some benefits. I can leave them there parked. You have to pay for the renewal of the monthly, so you have to be careful on that. You know, you have your monthly renewal coming, so yep. The heck. Okay, my connection lost. Okay, thank you very much. My live stream is ongoing. Okay, only Rithmic, only Quantaur. So it's the difference. So you can see my valuation parked there for a long time. It's just because my renewal is not there. It's my benefit. Let's go, Nick. Let's go, freaking hell. It's so good to feel, you know, when you take a nice good trade. The feeling I took once I got that $700 winning trade when I was in Floripa, and I was like, wow, this was a beautiful trade. Okay, Rithmic, can you connect? Where are you? Loading symbols. Okay, it's connecting. Connecting. Okay, it's gonna come out now. Nice breaker retest there. We might have tried to get a little shorter. This is pre-market lows. I will get it with one contract, guys. I'm 7 seconds behind. I'm 10 seconds behind. Let me put a stop loss just to have it in there. What? Okay. Now I don't know what is happening. I have to open my Trader Pro. I don't know where I am. 20 seconds behind. Okay, amazing. Blah blah blah. Okay. I'm 30 seconds behind. $37 seconds behind. I'm in a short at least? I really don't know. My Trader Pro is opening right now, so I'm figuring it out very soon. If I'm actually in a short. Yes, I'm in a short. I'm in a short. Ciao Luigi! Gigi! Ah, Gigi! Cazzo Gigi, come stai? Come stai Gigi? Guys, Gigi is like... Gigi has been the guy I started... I was always doing something online in my life. Then I had a Facebook page at the time, and I was at university, and this guy came to me. I still remember, and now I'm losing connection, but at least I have a stop loss. And this guy came, and he's Italian guy, Gigi. This is in the chat. He came to me and he said, "Amsa, we can make money from Facebook pages." And I was like, "I have a Facebook page," and at that time it was like only 8,000 followers in Facebook. And we became the biggest YouTube like video page in Italy. We got like millions of views in our website. Crazy. My stop loss is let me tell you what is exactly. It's around 293. Yeah, 294 there. Now I don't understand why it keeps getting delayed there. You see, every time it reconnects, I lost I go delayed by. I'm not able to speak. I leave it large just because I'm. I might have just call it and flatten it. It's not good to trade like that. Yeah, guys, crazy. Share it. Share your trade in Discord. People happy to see good trades. I would like to handle better way my trade. I will disconnect. Connected. I'm in my Wi-Fi. It's everything good. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's doing it. 3 seconds. Okay, no more delays. It's catching up. Now it's good. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 5 seconds. Best indicator in the world. Do deposit of Hamza. I mean, I wish I could tell you where to enter more. If this, what the heck this Quantower is doing to me? My PNL is correct, I believe. Yeah, my PNL is correct. My chart is not. So my PNL shows the correct value. The chart is delayed. So this is quant hour problem. So now it's breaking low. And now it's okay, gone again. Wow. I'm here with a trader who will text you. Okay. You text me in Instagram, or Instagram is the best, or WhatsApp if you want to give him my number. You're still in Morocco, right? Crazy. Luigi in Morocco, man. Luigi, come to Bali. I will be in Bali for the rest of the year, most of it. Come to Bali, work together. And right now I'm trying to get this short. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even just because this thing is bouncing and I don't want to get kicked out, and with this delay as well. So I'm just leaving the quant hour delay. It's crazy. Every time you reconnect, I'm 8 seconds delayed. 8 seconds delay. I don't know, to be honest. I don't have anything that would slow it down. Now it's again 18 seconds. A nice profit will be in here. How much would have been if I entered with normal sites? Yeah, at least 160, 200 something dollars. It's the same when you are streaming YouTube, when you're not. I believe it's the same because I don't believe the YouTube stream will block this situation. I really think it's right now. I mean, internet is very slow here. Speed test. And if I get stopped out, I'm fine. Just yeah, speed test is very slow. Yeah, I have a very low internet right now. Very low internet. It will catch up somewhere. Maybe it's another week. On Saturday, I go in Fest. Maybe in June, I will be in Bali. Okay, in June, I'm not sure, but I should be as well around there. I will catch up. Going fast, man. My family live in McNess, very close to Fest. But Fest is more touristic and beautiful. McNess not that much, but it's still a beautiful city to see. But Fest has more history, more tourist things to do. We should do a retreat in Morocco, guys. A trading retreat somewhere. One day it's gonna happen. Every year I say it, but yeah. It's always a challenge. Well, I'm gonna get stopped out in break-even. Good chance. I'm right now $10, means that the price is coming back to me. But I don't know if it will change something, the VPS. It's just my internet's slow. It's in this place, in this apartment in Repubblica Dominicana. Next on Monday, I will be back. By the way, Monday is a public holiday, so I believe the trading day is half. Will close at 1 p.m. Let's disconnect Rithmic. Let's connect it to different Apex. Apex, Cape Town, Chicago, Colo, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Sao Paulo, Singapore, Seoul, Sydney, Tokyo. I'm gonna go with Sao Paulo. I'll go with Sao Paulo. I have to learn that, Cap Trader. I have to learn that. Yeah, I was in the Chicago one. That's why I was like, let me connect to Chicago. But I was like, okay, it's not doing very well. Let's try to Sao Paulo in between. If this Sao Paulo is as well slow. Hello, Jose. What's up, Jose? Still the same. I don't think it's really. Right now. It's okay. I got stopped out in break even there, and I'm okay with it. This trade was painful just to see with this internet connection. It's really fighting there. I'm 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay. You know as well, it's one is internet, and two is this price action these days is a big fix. So my PNL is correct. My quant hour is slow to display the candle. So now we wait. We may get another trade. It's no rush on it. I don't want to rush it like yesterday. I rushed on trades. Maybe Jose is back with his longs. Oh, okay, come on. What the heck? Rithmic, what are you doing? Loading symbols. Yeah, load symbols again. Still big block at 55,100. Guys. Do I have an evaluation there waiting for me? I believe so. Yeah, I have 300k evaluation. Loading. Now we're back. Again, rejecting this area. I'm gonna wait to enter this time. Gonna give it a little bit of time. Especially because my internet is playing with me. Oh, what the heck? It's crazy. I'm gonna go back to Chicago. Apex Chicago area. Chicago area summary. What the heck is Chicago area summary? Connecting to Chicago. Reconnecting with a little bit of time, guys. Worst case scenario, we're closing break even. No, okay, worst case scenario, we're closing a red trade. Aggregate at Chicago VPS. I will look into that, by the way. I will look into that to see how big is the difference in connection. It would be very interesting to know, to be honest. Is it still gonna reject this area? I'm gonna wait. I was ready to short that, but I'm gonna wait. Risking $200 here, aiming for 300. Gonna wait. Quant VPS, get VPS light. Quant VPS. Quant VPS. Quant VPS for future trading. They are exactly for that. Okay, they are for trading. Then smart and never miss opportunity with ultra low latency virtual and dedicated servers built for traders. Let's see. View pricing. VPS Lite is $60 per month. 60% off on your first month. Okay. At least I can try it for what, $20 and see if it makes a difference. I mean, wait, I will try it when I will move to the next, because next week I'm back in France and there I don't need it. I'm back home. But from the next place, yes, this is a really good, really good advice what you just give me here. And let's see if it makes a difference with Quantower. I'm gonna save the website. Thank you. So save it in my bookmarks. Even when you are, the best things about it is your trade is always running, even when you turn off your computer. I need to understand that. I need to understand that. Guys, the short is still there. Interesting short there. I did not have the, it's still rejecting the area, did not take it. Gonna wait to get the next opportunity. I'm gonna look into it. Thank you for it. Where are you from, Cave? Where are you from? From the States? Where are you from? Morocco? You live in Morocco. You're from Morocco. You're from, okay, same as us. But you know, okay, you know, Moroccan, but in Ohio. See you, Mufti. Good job for today. I believe you because green. Good job, brother. Consistency, discipline there. Good job, good job. Still there, bouncing on the yesterday, you know, on the pre-market lows there. In Ohio. What there is in Ohio? What there is in Ohio? What there is in Ohio? Ohio. Let me see Ohio. What is it? Ohio, you have. What do you have there? You have a lake there, Lake Erie, Cleveland. This place I am. Columbus. That's okay. Dayton. Dayton is like Daytona or in Italia. Is it? Nothing, Ohio. Is it a flat? Is a flat place? So no, apart the lake, you have a beautiful lake there. I can see. Nothing in Ohio. Markets ranging a little bit. Let's see how it wants to do after trading in this area. Does it wants to continue lower? Does it wants to bounce? I don't want to trade it right now. I want to wait to see it coming back to lows or highs here. If it bounced from here, this is the view up from the opening from yesterday open. Sorry, from the daily open at 6 p.m. And this is the view up from the New York session open. So look at that. We're bouncing nicely. Thanks God we didn't take the short. Now let's see what he wants to do. We have time. We have time. This can be as yesterday. This can be as yesterday, like ta 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 ta, and then fly away. Or this is gonna be a fake out and close lower and give us a short. Might take a short, eh? I'm gonna go for the short, guys. Waited a little bit too much, so now my is $254 the loss there. Paul, I'm good, Paul. And what about you, man? How is your trading? How are you, brother? Everything good? Life is good? Let's see if I'm gonna get cooked, Paul. Paul came here and I get a loss. It's because of Paul. Let's see if I'm gonna get the same loss as yesterday. Nice short, Kev Trader. Thank you. I like it this time. We're taking this double top here. Double top. And we still rejecting this area. Nice opportunity to come and break this, the downside. Let's see. The time will tell us. The time will tell us. If not, we will start to look for shorts, for longs. My trading is bad. Hey, you're not alone, my friend. You're not alone. Trading goes up and down all the time. How many times, Paul, you had in your head that you finally figured it out? How many times you finally figured it out? And you're like, oh, okay, now I finally know what I have to do. Now I finally know what I have to do. And then, bam, you get kicked. It's always like that. We always get closer, and then we got hit, and it seems again super far. Oh, that's good. That's a good realization. Micros are totally enough. Micros are totally enough. Trade minis. Trade minis, you can trade them if you are a mega scalper, aggressive scalper. For the rest, for me, it's yeah, it's very aggressive to trade micros in this market, especially in this market condition. If this one does not go, I'm gonna flatten it. Close it with a little loss. Don't know. I don't want this to wait 1 hour here. If this was a liquidity grab, this thing should have gone right away to the downside. But if I see it start pumping, I'll flatten it in advance. I'm out. I'm gonna give it another shot somewhere else. One macro at a time. It's the way. It's the way. One macro, 2, 3 macros, depending on how much volatility. For example, here I entered with 3 macros, and I had $253 of loss, aiming for like what 250. It's like 1-to-1, 1-to-1 risk reward here, a bit more. Close it in advance at $100 loss. I'm gonna wait here to see what he wants to do. I don't like that it was waiting too much time. If this was a liquidity grab, this should have gone a bit faster, but we leave it there. Too choppy right now. Too soon, we'll see. Maybe you're right, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right, maybe you're wrong. We'll see about that. But I'm fine with the cutting it, It's just chopping too much right now there. I'm gonna wait. This one not that much, my friend. Oof, I don't even know, to be honest. Let me see. Let me log in my Apex website. Login. Check the password on. Let me see. Not that much, my friend. I'm trading very conservative. 576 536. It's not my password. It's my Google Authenticator. So don't worry, guys. You're not gonna steal my account. and even that. PA charts. This account is 12 days, not that much. 12 days. 12 freaking days. No worries, Cave, no worries. If I see it nice again, happy to re-enter. If I don't, I'm happy to exit and re-enter again if it comes back with a nice closing. For the rest, I'm gonna call myself out from this trade. Wait. Yeah, and it's not anymore my beautiful 100. Remember my 120 days, 150 days. Let's see right now. I'm not gonna get out from this area. It's just so much choppiness. So much choppiness there. Too much fatigue to go lower there. Yeah, she can do anything. That's the way. That's the way to see it, brother. I'm gonna wait to see getting out from this. It's just too much. It's like that's what in my head, I was thinking if this is liquidity grab, it made sense for this. I believe this should have came a bit faster to the downside. It didn't, and I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me get out for the moment and find a better entry. Maybe this Sphinx is still gonna go lower without ever touching anymore the stop loss. It's a good chance, very good chance. Gonna just wait. If I see it again evolving as I would love, let's go and re-enter again. Maybe getting out from that shitty price action. Yes, doing the same things there. Yes, doing the same. I'm looking at yes as well. I'm gonna try it again. We'll try it again. Yes, as well, breaking there. Yes, breaking there. In oh. I'm 5 seconds behind again. Not a good place to be behind with my chart. Not a good place to be behind. Okay, now it's catching up. Oh, I tried to close that because I'm 4 seconds delayed. I tried to close one contract there. No, don't tell me where to put the target. Last time I had to scream with some people. Don't tell me where to move the target, guys. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I love you guys. I love each one of you. But it's if I follow how you trade, then it moves all my head things, messed up with my trading. You know, it becomes a mess in my head. It becomes a mess in my head. I've lived it too many times during the live stream. Man, it's so hard because you trade, you know, you have some, then someone tell you do this, and then if, let's say for example, I move my target here. Let's say my target becomes here, you know, in your, let's say you told me move it here, and my idea was to take profit here, and these things comes here, does that. I will hate myself. Then even in good scenario, it does that. I did not learn shit, because I just follow someone advice. So I try to do my best on can we get the break lower? ES did already. Piece of shit of ES. ES already did the break lower. ES already did the break lower there. Hopefully we continue. But as much as you know, as much it doesn't matter, even if you are the most profitable person in the world. You know, it always depends on strategy wise and everything. Trying to see. Oh, I got filled. Of course, this thing is delayed. Gonna move my stop loss to break even. If it wants to bounce. We're gonna leave it there because it looks like ES is melting down. ES is melting down below that level. Melting is a big word. It's not really, but it looks like nicely going lower. Good scenario, we're not gonna close right in on the day, even if it comes back in break even. Where is a possible? I don't know. What is the previous day's lows? Were very far away. 25,000. Wow, very far away. The heck? Not. Nice trade, by the way. Happy with it. Happy that even with this came out, I'm fine with it, but I'm very happy that we're going out. I like to how I re-entered after I saw a nice acceleration to the downside, nice closing candle, and just that, boom, it started to go lower very fast. We took some profit there, so for the moment, we're gonna leave it there. See where we can grab some more. Let's do it. You said wow because something happened there. Let's go. I thought you said wow because it crashed 100 points and my chart is delayed. Let's go. Where did you short? I mean, if you are up 300 points, that means you are shorting some. Not sure. Much more. You short. Hey, doesn't wait. What the heck? You are up 300 points. Oh, 300 ticks. Oh, it's nicely. Oh, that's nice, guys. Nice acceleration there. Nice ticks. Oh, okay, my bad. No worries at all. I was like, what the heck? Where did you go? Oh yeah. So you shorted somewhere here as well. At this 250. Nice downside there. Let's see at the 100. Nice number. I had, guys, 240. Beautiful, man. Where did you take it? Which minutes? Which minute of the day you enter short? No, the time? Sorry, the time. The time you enter short. What time is it? I'm checking. It's 10:39 a.m. We're up. And how is gold? Gold is still above 5,000. I have to check silver. Did silver slow down their move? Did silver slow down a little bit? A little bit slow down from the massive days. Man, silver moving 38% in one day was the craziest things I've ever seen in the market. 38% in one day. It's absolutely nuts. I think everyone can say that. It was the insane things ever happened in the market. Around 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Ah, you started short here. At this breaker test right away. Na, 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 na. Mamma mia, what a short. What beautiful, right? I'm happy I re-entered short, did not get scared, and took my profit right now. Out, guys. We took $280 on the day after being down $100 on this one. Recovered. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade! Ah! Good news, I get more money from my tennis training soon. Somehow I only got half of it and I was wondering, but now everything's set. We'll buy an Eva or shoe from it and save the rest. Yeah, start slow, my friend. Look, do you see me below how many evaluation I can activate? I can have so many PAs I can activate. But activate them means $75 multiplied by all this evaluation makes it like $400. For why? For which reason? I'm not sure I'm gonna get a payout. I'm still working on my strategy, and I don't need. Escalating these expenses do not make sense. I'm still working my full-time job. I work remotely. I do this live stream and everything. I don't need to escalate my expense in trading as fast. I trade one PA. Take time. Okay, today I had a good trade. Yesterday I fucked up. Yes, today I did better. Don't push your expense, guys. 10:30. Let me see 10:30. 10:30 here. This one. And it finally closed at candle song. The next flag. Yeah, I see. You know, I thought about you, Nick, when I saw this candle. I was like, is this candle closed for Nick or not? Then this one closed a bit more. I thought about you on that closing candle. Hi, Prem Hama. Long stop, they got stopped out, and because the market strength, you got extra move. Yeah, this beautiful extra move here. Yeah, don't rush to be active soon, you know, but keep it slow. One PA, one evaluation. Don't need to leverage your expense, and that's it. You know, if I was someone like pushing you guys as a fake influencer, you will see me not showing this evaluation, convert them, put some good days, show you some good trades, switch from one PA to another PA, like here, like I do like this, boom. You don't see, I will show you the trade where I went short, and I will show you, for example, I will tell you, oh, this one I did not take a trade, but here I took a trade and I went short and I won. This is what most of the people do online. They will have three PAs, they went short here, they went short here, they went long here. Oh, they went positive in some. They tell you I made $6,000 today, guys, trading my breaker retest strategy that with liquidity grab, the only one that works me 98% of the time. Use code Hamza to get your 80% with Apex. You can fall for this, or you can be smart and realize when someone does not show you all the data, good chance is hiding something. Because why you should not show anything, right? Why you should hide something? Why should you hide the number of PAs? Why are you hiding the balance? If you are hiding any of this main information, this means you're something. You have something to hide. You don't want to show up something. Based on that, if not, you will show them up. If you're a good trader, you'll show them up. You'll be like, this is my PA 24. I have it for 100 days. This is my my account size. Yeah, good living with 1-2 PAs, totally 100%. And then when you have that confidence, you can get 4, 5, 6, 8 funded accounts step by step. Yeah, man, X is a piece of crap place. X is like, I know I go there often, but trust me, many of them are fake. And I know it even more, guys, more than you, because I can see many things, but I cannot say anything. Legally, everything that I cannot say. Not, I got arrested. Mohammed, look, I know people much worse than that. I know people that are down 200K, 300K, 400K, 500K. None of them are these to make you feel better. But it is one thing is why you have $6,000 of expense? How many evaluations are you trading with? How many PAs are you trading with? How many days your PA lives before you get before it blows up, or before you got a payout? I think it's many times is really, we try to accelerate the dream of being free, being taking big payouts, and I fell for it, guys. You know how many times when I have 2 weeks of good trading and I was like, my God. When I had the 20 PAs and I had a good period, I remember in my head I was like, wow, if I continue like that in 2 weeks, I'm gonna get $20,000 payout. Wow, $1,000 payout. Then reality is the market change, teach you discipline and everything, and yeah, it made you realize, look, your strategy sucked. You still are not ready to trade with 20 funded accounts. Yeah, big, and one bad thing is on trading is when you get a lot of expense, lower and lower, bigger the hole it is, harder it's going to be mentally to get out. For example, I was speaking with this person, down 200K, and I told this person, look, please, you have to follow, your strategy. I don't know what is your strategy. Follow your strategy. How much are you losing per trade? What is your win rate? And based on that, try to have a good risk management that you can follow up. Second, start small. You don't need to go with 300K accounts. You don't need to go for 20 evaluation. Start with 150K account until you're sure you're able to get paid. You can then increase this. But no, this person was going with 20 evaluation 300K account, because in their head they were dreaming with 300K, they're bigger accounts. If I get to pay out all of them at the same time, I will get $60,000 payout. Oh, it will recover my fees very quick if I nail it correctly. But this is the trap. This is the trap in trading in general, not with evaluation. Everything is, the bigger you play, faster you will cut, or the gambling addiction. But in reality, trading works in a different way. Slower you go at the beginning, you take it slow, marathon the way, until you're like, wow, now I know what I have to do to make money. Okay, let's increase a little bit more my size. Let's increase a little bit more my risk. Let's increase a little bit more my number of evaluation PAs. I mean, if you lost $6,000 and I like buy one evaluation pay for filters, whatever, trade it properly until you reach the card, then you know you can do it. It's, yes, that's one way. Like Nick said, you pay $30, you have one evaluation with Apex, and you, of course, don't make it renew, because the renewal is 50%. Cancel the renewal right away. You have 30 days. 30 days, you're like, I'm gonna trade 30 days, 20 trading days, 22 trading days, this evaluation. 22 trading days is a lot of time. Trade it, trade it, trade it, trade it, trade it, trade it. Okay, you get to the end of the month, you're like, I'm not, freaking hell, I'm not able to pass it, I'm not in a good balance. Okay, cancel, pay the next promotion with Apex, $30 again. What you have spent there in 2 months, $60. In 1 month, $30. Make it like you buy 2 valuation, that is $60. Make it 3 valuation per month, that is $90. Trading, I swear to you guys, trading is when you, for me, when I started to become more disciplined in trading, is thanks to my job. As stupid as it sounds, it forced me to go back to work. That's why I have 1 hour break. That's why I live stream for 1 hour. It's just because after 1 hour I have to go back to work, and I cannot trade during my working hours. That is by the contract. I cannot trade during my working hours, and it makes sense, because if you're trading, you're not working. Of course, makes sense. And thanks to that, my discipline got improved, because I was trading 1 hour and I was like, fuck, I have to close my laptop and I have to go back to work. By doing this every day for months and months and months, then my brain just got used to it. It's like, I only trade 1 hour. Even right now that I'm in holiday, I don't have my job, I'm done trading. This is my last trade. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Read his message. Oh, yeah, I will say as well what Nick said. Yeah, I will say just have a nice break. Roping, not gonna lie. Am I roping? No, man. Yeah. Don't. Okay, I just noticed your message. Don't say that's the last things, my friend. That's the last things. No, don't even the last thing. Fuck that, man. Stop from trading and focus yourself in other things in life. The trading is not the only things you need. Trading, I swear to you, I was in that kind of scenarios as well, thinking trading was the only things that was gonna save me. Trading was the only things that was gonna make my life better. And in the end, I'm living the life I was dreaming about 2-3 years ago. I was dreaming about this life of traveling, the life that really makes me now happy about my life, and it comes from anything else that is not trading. Trading is not the. I did it. I spoke that in one video. That we, as the traders, we always expect that trading is the only way to achieve our goals in life, but in reality, it is not. you have so many ways to achieve your what you want in life. So many ways. And it can be any other things. You just need to really close the screen, close trading, and go explore life, explore other things, do things that fulfills you, do things that make you happy. If it's traveling, take a flight ticket, go to travel. And I don't know if you're single, Mohammed, or you have family. Go travel for 1 month, 2 months. Discover this. I swear to you, when I went to Southeast Asia, when I went to traveling, and I met so many people that made me discover how you can travel and make money in a totally different way. I met a guy, German guy, 20 years old. He was making money by listening to songs in Spotify. And I was like, what the fuck you mean you listen to songs in Spotify and you make 5-6K per month, traveling, working 2-3 hours per day, listening songs? And he was so nice. He was like, Ansa, sit here, I will explain to you. He explained to me everything. He told me, this is the way to do it. This is how you should do it. The first 2-3 months is going to be hard, but then it's going to come out. Man, crazy. German, yeah, it was a German boy. I swear to you, I lost his contact. I would love to find it back. Yeah, yeah. I would say, as well, Mohammed, spend time with the friends you love, family. Trading is not. Trading is a little part of your life, really little. That's the bastard things of this trading world. Yeah. When I started trading, guys, I lost 10K, but at the same time, it's true. I was like, I'm down 10K, but at the same time, I was working. I had my full-time job, and I was like, okay. And then I recouped them. Thanks God. But after a while, it can get heavy on you. So taking a break, find other things in life that fulfills you. It's important. Yeah, maybe it's a lot for many people. Yeah, 100%. It's any number can be a lot for any person. $500 can be a lot for you. $200 can be a lot for you. Mohammed, you're smart. You're a smart guy. Are you single? Are you single? You have family? Just curiosity. This is a curiosity. What? What? Why are you trading, Mohammed? Why are you trading? Why do you put yourself in trading? Each one of us put themselves in trading for one reasons. It can be have family, start traveling, live a life without job. So many things. I think it's a good question to ask yourself again. As a Muslim guy, I can unsingle myself anytime I want. I can unsingle myself. That's if I call my mom, she's gonna find me a wife tomorrow. Have a great Paul. Thank you so much for coming. Hello, Express. Yeah, find. And and ask yourself, why did you start trading? As was for me, that was for me one reason. When I started, I started trading with the idea of being free from a job, from I wanted to travel the world and stuff like that. And then I discovered I didn't need to. I didn't need trading to get that. I didn't need that. I didn't need trading. Even now, if I make money and a lot of money, I still protect my expense from trading. 2020, I mean, this is when I started as well. No, but 2020 is when I started trading. Yeah, as well at the same time I bought some crypto and I lost. You know, one thinks especially these guys especially men's in general. It's really especially men's, and I realized that in my life is that we all think that we don't need therapy, and therapy is many times people says it's a bad thing, means you're weak. No, therapy is something that everyone needs, no matter which position you are. Sometimes we need to speak with someone that is, you know, emotionally much knowledge than us, of of our mental power and strength that can help us direct us to the right path, to how we handle stuff in life and everything. But many times as a man, we all think we don't need therapy, and if you do therapy, you're weak. That's what we always think about therapy. We think, if this guy does therapy, is weak, is an emotional bitch. No, if you do therapy, you're much stronger than anyone else that does not do it. Much stronger, because you know how to get stronger, you know how to handle stuff in life. I swear to you, all the people I met since traveling that tell me they do therapy, these people are much smarter than anyone I met, emotionally speaking, much ahead. Yeah, I get that, Express. Yes, we fell in that. If it's honestly, look as well for therapy, to speak with someone, help you on this um, emotional growth. It's very important. I will start as well take therapy hours weekly when I need it, and I do need it. And it's not about trading; it's about life. You know, we live in a shitty society that we have to handle mentally every time, every day. But I'm not a therapist, so I don't want to give you too much advice on these things. Don't say sorry, man. Don't say sorry, my friend. Mohammed, 95, 98% of the people lose money from trading. And it's about how you handle it, how you're able to be strong from it and learn from it. You will do it because you're strong of speaking about it, and I'm sure you will. But you're not alone on that. But definitely, my advice, I'm not a therapist. I'm not going to give you here mental advices and everything as much as about trading. My advice is always, and it's not only to you, it's everyone here, is, guys, go to therapy or speak with someone, a therapist is, and a therapist has to be someone that is, you don't know. It does not a friend, not a family. It cannot be a friend or a family. It cannot be a friend or a family. Just remember this, because a therapist that is your friend or family will have problem to give you the best advices, being a friend or a family. Always, yeah, have someone that you go spend time, go spend some money, go to therapy, and ask them anything, speak with anything you haven't had. Guys, for the rest, have a good time. What worked for me is to have a budget each month to spend on this evaluation PS. The only activity after I get a payout. what worked for me to have a budget each month is a budget monthly is a good way. You have like, okay, I'm gonna spend $150, $200 per month. That's an example. Someone told me there, Kim, how can I use chart like you? This is Quant Tower, and I'm connected to Rithmic in Apex using Apex Trader Funding. This is a Rithmic connection with Apex Trader Funding. This is Quant Tower. This is VWAP. I pay for this because shitty Quant Tower does not have it included. So I pay $30 per month for the moment to have volume analysis, same as this one. So $30 per month, and that's it. That's how much I spend for this Quant Tower to run like that. If you don't want the volume and you don't want this and this, it's only $30. It's free. This is Quant Tower. Quant Tower. I'm gonna spell it in the chart. In the chat. What is it? Quant Tower. Connected to Rithmic using Apex or any props that has Rithmic connection. I don't think it connects with Tradovate yet. Let me see. It connects to many programs. Alpha Vantage. Right, I will show you right now. Rithmic right now, you see Alpaca, Alpha Vantage, Binance here, about crypto things, Bybit, crypto.com, Ctrade, daytraders.com, Delta Exchange, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Get, you know, you just, I don't know what the heck you're gonna connect to it, but this is all your connection you have. Blah, 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 blah. And then if you connect to Rithmic, for example, me, here you have all the Rithmic connection you have, 10x futures, for trader, Apex, Bullenox, daytraders.com, earn to trade, fast frac trading, funded future network, Lilo, what a old time, it reminds me of this. Legends, Lucid, MS, I don't know what is Capital, yes, Profit Trader, yeah, all the Rithmic connection, speed up, blah blah, top step as well. No, top step does not have anymore. A profit, blah blah blah. So you have all these things. Have a good one, guys. Beautiful trade today, short. Beautiful breaker retest of this area. It grabbed these highs, then came back again. I took it out, lost $100, then I re-entered, took a beautiful win here, recovered all the loss. For the rest, guys, tomorrow I'm not live streaming because I'm checking out from this place, and they did not give us a late checkout, unfortunately. So I have to get out at 11 a.m. That is the time I start trading. So tomorrow is not trading day for me. Monday is public holiday. Good chance I'm not gonna trade neither the day. We'll see. And Tuesday is normal trading day from my home in France. So finally, I'm gonna go back to a proper setup. Guys, for the rest, have a good time. Love you all. And wow, this market is just going lower. This was the low I was looking for. It just went down. Is that $306 more with one micro contract? Insanity. Wow. Love you guys. Have a good one.